All right, now I want to show you, a lot of you know I use my hose reels just for storage when I pull it all out. Basically, you should always have 1/2-inch hose on your reel first. The 1/2-inch hose, of course, go into your pressure washer. The reason why is for water friction. 1/2-inch hose gives you a lot more flow, but we don't want to lug it around. So for my first 150 feet, I have 1/2-inch hose on here. Then we go to a 3/8. If I just pull out the 3/8, I can just unhook it here. Boy, this bitch is tight. There we go. It's brand new, so it's hard. And then I can go right to here. I have my valve here. Turn it on and off. And then I can bypass the hose reel if I'm just using 150 foot of the 3/8, because I have 150 foot of 1/2-inch, 150 foot of 3/8. Now, if I want to run it through the hose reel, if we're just pulling off 50 feet, do a quick sidewalk, what have you, we just take off this jumper and go right in. Okay? Now, I did a rookie mistake. When you're running this in, of course, when you get to this point, you got to turn it sideways so it doesn't bend like this on the reel. I forgot to do that, and look what we got. It cut the outer skin. Now, also you got to remember is the end of these the 3/8 is going to be a 3/8 fitting. So you actually got to cut the hose, put a 1/2-inch NPT with a 3/8 crimp on it in order to connect it without any adapters. Also to take this off and stick it right into here. All right. Now, we got to go ahead and cut this off and put a fitting on. So let's go right over to here to our hose crimping setup. Of course, everybody has one of these, right? Stop giving house washes away for $300. And you can buy shit like this. Anyway, let's go ahead and we're gonna cut this off here. Past the point. This is a nice cut. This here is 3/8 hose to 1/2-inch NPT in order to put our 1/2-inch fitting on. All right, what I want to do is go ahead first and measure this here from the knurl mark to the end of the hose. Because we got to mark it to make sure we go deep enough in there. Okay. Put that on. There's our mark. Okay. We're all the way in. We're past the mark we made. Let's go ahead and pop it in the old hose crimper. We know what dye it is for that. Look at that. Look at that nice crimp. Then we're going to go take this off, put this on, and we're back in business. All right, guys. Hope this helps you out. Keep on spraying.